morning, good afternoon, good evening, and good night to some of you wonderful men and women of good conscience. How are you doing today? I hope you are doing all right. Thank you for always coming back. If you have not subscribed to the channel, please consider doing so. It is our channel. It is a channel for creating awareness for the restoration, actualization of Biafra. Please, there is this video I'm going to bring to you. This, our brother, is wonderful. He saw what is happening today. Say way back in 2017. When I tell you that Biafrans are prophets and prophetesses, do not doubt it. Well, this guy is a visionary. He's an oracle. Honestly, you can't, oh my goodness, you can't even believe this. Please pay attention and listen to what he has to say. This guy is something else. This guy is something else. To me, I've always believed that Biafra will come, but I don't know the actual date. I haven't known. I don't even know if it is in this our generation or in the generation of our children, but I know that Biafra must surely come. I have always have that confidence that Biafra will come. So I'm going to let you watch. Let me know what you comment. Let us know what you think in the comment section. We would like to hear from you. We'd like to hear from you. Whenever you leave a comment, there is this joy we have whenever you leave a comment, and it helps you to boost it and send it to people out there that something is happening, and by so doing, you are creating awareness. So thank you for listening. Subscribe to the channel. Please share if you can. If you cannot, no problem. I will see you in the next one. Bye now.
When I came back yesterday, when I come back from the hands of those evil men, I was sleeping. So in my dream, it's like I started suffering the same thing I passed through from the hands of those evil men. I started seeing myself suffering. So, and later on, I was very, very surprised that not even the military that is chasing me. I saw many people, as I saw some people fighting of something that we don't know. Yes, I saw some people fighting a battle that we don't know, and in that my dream, I saw our leader Mazi Nnamdi Kanu appearing in a country of Benin. How will I put it? I saw our leader appearing in Israel. So as he appeared in Israel, everywhere started shaking with so surprise. He was playing in that my dream. So I now go to him and I ask him, Onyendu, Biko, ogene ke chọrọ ka mme. He now asks me, he now tell me that, Don Prince, my son, the only thing I need from you is stand with truth and stand in Biafra. Stand for your rights. Never you be afraid. Don't betray this cause. The Almighty God, the God of Biafra, Chukwu Okike Abiama, told me that you, Don Prince, is one of the 100 men that we need. So because of this, I started crying, shedding tears. I now tell him, thank you, sir, for believing in me. I will never betray you. Instead of me to betray you, I rather die. And this is the covenant I have made within myself, that I will never betray our leader Mazi Nnamdi. And I know that the zoo militaries are planning evil day by day to stop the restoration of Biafra, but they can never stop it. So, concerning the question you asked me on my dream, in my dream, I saw, after that our leader, I saw Biafra coming. And as I saw Biafra coming, I saw Nigerian military men killing innocent people. I saw Nigerian military personnel going after villagers, killing people in the village, massacring people. I saw governors supporting them. I saw youth dying. I saw villagers burning. I saw cars burning. I saw war. This war that I saw is exactly what I saw in 2013. This war that I saw is exactly the message that came to me 4 years ago, 2013. The same message appeared to me on that dream. That was last night. So it appeared to me that war is going to be happen. Biafrans is going to raise men. Biafra is going to raise men that they will be called Biafran soldiers. Is going to raise men, and those men, their aim is to protect the life and properties of Biafrans. So, and the same time I saw death coming. I saw people dying. In fact, what I saw in my dream, my sister, if I started today to be explaining, is very, very, how will I put it? Difficult to explain. And like what I told you, Waka Waka, like what I told Waka Waka now, like what I told her when she came in the morning. I was telling her that, hey, my sister, I dreamed, and my dream is my dream always comes true. Even if it did not come true this year, it may come true in 5 years or 7 years to come, or 3 years to come, or 4 years to come. But all I know is this dream must come true. I told him that our leader I saw our leader appearing in Israel, and after that I saw our leader arrested again. Our leader was arrested again. The country where our leader was arrested again is a small country, but African country. Just I saw our leader, he was arrested and was about to be killed. Later on, I saw him on that dream that they later took him to Buhari. They brought our leader to Nigeria. And when they brought him to Nigeria, they took him to prison again. So I was telling this to her. She said, I told her that this is what will happen. Isn't that what I told you? So just so look at that. It is going to be done, even if it is not this year, it will be next year, 2 years, 3 years to come. And after our leader was arrested, he was took to he was brought back to Nigeria, and after that everywhere started shaking. The world was silent for some seconds and started shaking to the extent that everybody started supporting Biafra. I saw our leader coming from the prison again, appearing with a Biafran flag. I saw Biafra coming, rejoicing, the people of Biafra rejoicing. But never forget that bloodshed will be done in Biafra land, whether good or bad. People will start killing themselves, more especially those soldiers that will be released will start fighting against the evil ones. And another group is going to be out. Those group that will be out will be those that will be, I mean, let me explain it. Come so yana so see Igbo imana oyibo biala abia. Amacharom oyibo na afia maru. So let me speak in the one you can understand. Group a bụ ndị na-aga ịpụta bụ ndị si n'ụlọ mkpọrọ pụta, ndị si n'ụlọ mkpọrọ pụta, ndị o megidere, ndị Nigeria gọọmenti megidere, ndị like ndị ka otu ngesi kpọọ ya, ndị na-enweghị nne na nna, na ndị polisi kpọrọ ha n'ike, ndị polisi akpọrọ ha mee ha arrest. So bo ha ebubo, ha tọcha afụfụ sọfacha from Nigeria gọọmenti, from prison, emechie wee release ha. Ha gaza form their group fight was against police and army. This is what I saw is going to be happen. Go and write it down. There are a group that is going to be out, and that group, their aim is to fight Nigerian military soldiers and military police, and their aim will be to kill any man on uniform. Write it down. My vision always come to pass. Just write it down. Today is 4th November, Saturday, 4th November, 2017. Go and mark my words. Waka waka, just write it down. Should in case of I die tomorrow, you just remember this my prophecy. Remember this is going to be done. You understand? But like I'm saying it may not be this year, but next year, 2 years to come. So yes, of course, the question you asked me before, like this number 3 question you asked me, I'm going to answer the question in a way that you understand it. Yes, they gave me the sum of 40 million naira, but I wasn't sure whether it's 40 million naira or what. Do you understand me? There is what they put from the amount that this is 40 million, but for me, I'm not sure whether it's 40 million naira. The man said that this is 40 million naira. I go to studio and re-sing the song. I said over my dead body, I cannot do it. So I don't think I can do such thing. Nothing at all, nothing on this earth will stop me from singing for my nation. Our leader, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, will not die. He will live. And any human being that wish Nnamdi Kanu death, the person will die. You understand? Our leader, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, he will not die. He is the director. He is the leader. He is the one, the Moses of our time. So God chose him alone to restore Biafra. And he is going to restore Biafra. Just that people will die. Many will die. In this struggle, many people will die. You understand? Many people will die. But most Biafra will be restored. Biafra. But I will ask you, don't trust anybody. Do not trust anyone. Do not trust anyone. In this struggle, don't trust anyone. Those who are the first is going to be the last. And those who are the last is going to be the first. What I mean on this, like you, Waka Waka, I know that you are closer to our deputy leader, Mazi Chemofo. I know that you are closer to him, and you are closer to so many of our leaders. But please, what I will tell you today is play for your life. What I saw is very dangerous. Play and be careful. I don't want you to eat anyhow. I don't want you to follow people anyhow. Those that you trust will be those that will kill you. Be careful. Please, be very careful. My brother, I thank you so much. Mazi Chika Austin. Sampe for you, my brother. You are 1 in a million. I still believe in you. You people are the ones that fight for my release, because if not you as a journalist writing, publishing my arrest, and other people publishing it, I don't think we'll be alive. I believe that we was released because Almighty Chukwu Okike Abiama want us to be alive to witness the restoration of Biafra. I'm a God sent, so no one is righteous. I am not righteous in the presence of God and in the presence of men, but I can swear for my life that any day in my life that I plan evil against my fellow principal officer of IPOB, let me die and let my generation perish. Mark my words today. You understand? These words that I said, go and write it down. Today is Saturday, right? Write it down. Today is 4th November 2017. If I ever in my life betray the restoration of Biafra, let me die. Let my generation be wiped out. I will never do it. See, if I want, if that I will betray this cause, I could have collected the sum of money given to me by Joe Ibokwe to stop singing for my for Biafra. Waka Waka, you can bear me witness. If that I will betray this cause, I will collect the money. You understand? But the money is nonsense to me. The money is nothing. What I want is not money. What I want is good name. Good name is better than silver and good. I don't want to be in any post in IPOB, and I can never be in any post in IPOB. God forbid. Instead of me to be in any post in IPOB, I'd rather die. Brother, this thing I'm telling you, just mark it down. I'd rather die than to be in any post in IPOB. I'm just somebody, a musician, and that is all I will be forever. That is all I will be forever. Just a musician. And not that. If tomorrow, remember my words, capture this word. If tomorrow that God says, Don Prince, this is a position that I want you to occupy in IPOB, I will say no. I don't have any choice but to obey the wish of God. Or if tomorrow our leader Mazi Nnamdi Kanu call me, Don Prince, sir, I want you to help me on this side to occupy this position so that Biafra will be restored. Listen, immediately I will do it, because the only man I respected and I will continue to respect till death is Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. The only man, the only truthful man in this generation that I will continue to respect. After God, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is the second. You understand? After God, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is the second, no other person. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is my God, is my father. As far as I'm concerned, he is my God. And my God, he will be. So, nothing will stop me from singing for my nation, Biafra. Nothing. Yes, it's true, but you know, excuse me, you know, in some cases like that, many people will be saying all sorts of things. Like many may not even believe that I was arrested, but I don't want to know. The same thing, go and write it. Those that did not believe for my arrest, there are the saboteurs, evil people that we have in this struggle. Even if you die, they will never believe that you die. Even if you die and buried, they will never believe that you die and buried. Or unless they brought your coffee, put it matches, and burn you to ashes. Then they will now say, yes, Don Prince have died. So I am not after those that is saying something against the restoration of Biafra. I am not after those that is saying that is gossiping against my arrest. I am only after Nigeria government that is maltreating the people of Biafra. So everybody have mouth to say whatever they want, and I don't want to know. And even gossiping cannot stop me from singing. That is number one. It can't stop me from singing. I have told Waka Waka when she was asking me, I told her that that people gossiping can never stop me from singing. It can never stop the restoration of Biafra to come. It can never stop our leader Mazi Kanu. But the best friend of Nnamdi Kanu is going to betray Nnamdi Kanu. Mark, this is a prophecy that came to my face right now. The best friend of Nnamdi Kanu is going to betray Mazi Kanu. The only person that Mazi Kanu trusted is going to betray him. So it's better that he forge ahead. Even when it happens, Mazi Kanu should not be afraid. He should continue. All we know is Biafra is going to be restored in our own time. There is no two ways about it. Biafra is going to be restored. So that is all I can say.